Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Let's talk about CCNA hardware lab kits. If you're looking to get hands-on experience with real Cisco devices, these kits can be a great investment. But before you jump in, there are a few things to consider. First off, make sure you buy a kit from a reputable vendor. Buying a kit is more expensive than buying hardware separately from sites such as eBay. The advantage of a kit is that you don't have to worry whether your routers and switches have enough memory, storage, and the right interfaces. You don't want to buy a kit, only to figure out you are missing some features. Have you thought about using network simulators or emulators? Things like Cisco Packet Tracer, GNS3, or Cisco CML can be great alternatives, especially if you're focusing on CCNA content. They're often cheaper and quieter than physical hardware. Plus, you don't have to worry about finding space for all that equipment. Something else to think about: where do you see yourself going with this? If you're planning to move on to CCNP certification or pursue a career in network engineering, investing in a more robust lab setup now could pay off big time down the road. So, bottom line, if you're serious about networking and really want that hands-on experience, a good CCNA lab kit can be a solid investment. Just make sure you're thinking about your long-term goals and weighing the costs against what you want to achieve in your studies and career. If you buy a kit, get one from a reputable vendor. And that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.